The AstroAI 150 PSI digital tire gauge is the perfect car accessory for your toolbox or car's glove compartment. Its simple and lightweight design means it can travel anywhere you need it to go, whether you're measuring tires for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Even in darkness, this gauge shines bright with its integrated lighted nozzle for increased visibility in roadside emergencies. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns a reading within 100% of the exact pressure of your tire. This gauge's ergonomic design makes it easy to use, especially when selecting between 4 different units of pressure for your most ideal reading. This automotive accessory is programmed to increase its battery life with an auto-off function. A 1-year warranty is provided by AstroAI for additional peace of mind. This digital tire gauge keeps your vehicles operating smoothly and safely for all of life's adventures.
Unleash your passion and experience ultimate freedom while driving. For demanding drivers, the ESCORT Max 360 radar and laser detector provides the most precise 360-degree ticket protection on the road. From radar and laser guns, to red light cameras, to photo radar and air patrol, there are more ways than ever to get a ticket. The Max 360's state-of-the-art technology stays ahead of developing threats, so you can drive with absolute confidence. Dual antennas at the front and back of the detector rapidly scan surrounding threats. Digital signal processing provides exceptional range and a lightning-fast response. GPS-powered auto-learn technology intelligently rejects false alerts, and directional arrows harness the power of precision by indicating the radar source for 360-degree coverage. The average speeding ticket costs $150, and getting one ticket means you're likely to pay $900 in increased insurance costs over the next 3 years.
Mr. Memory one now, please.
Even though you may not ordinarily speed, limits can change quickly and catch you unaware, with up to a third of speeding citations being erroneous. With radar and laser detectors legal in every state except Virginia and Washington, D.C., the ESCORT Max 360 pays for itself when it saves you from just a single ticket, so you'll hit the road with total assurance. The new Max 360, only from ESCORT, accelerating precision.
Govee, making life smarter.
iKer is an expert in the tire inflator, bringing you more professional products and better using experience. Our air compressor is suitable for car, motorcycle, bicycle, van, SUV, small truck, boat, etc. The package included portable bank, 11.5 FT air hose, battery clamp, fuse, 3 nozzle, and tail repair tools, etc. The tire inflator can use a cigarette lighter or battery as a power source. We recommend car battery, which can provide more voltage, make inflated faster. The tire inflator, designed with heavy-duty double cylinders, faster inflation speed than 17-inch tire to 35 psi in 2 minutes. The 11.5 FT air hose, which is long enough to suitable for various car modes. We test inflatable motorcycle, bicycle, basketball, airbag, and swimming rings, which is completed in a few seconds. The reflective strip on the storage bag can be used as a warning sign in an emergency. iKer tire inflator is essential for every car owner.
Thank you for using this digital product of our company. Here we show you an example via Volvo V90cc. In order to let you experience the product swimmingly, detailed instruction is provided. It offers you a chance to connect Carplay to iPhone at any time. And you can easily use some functions of your iPhone on Carplay while driving. Insert the DriveLink into the USB port of Carplay. Carplay's USB interface location varies by different car model. In about 5 seconds, click Apple CarPlay. Then click Find iPhone. Turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in the phone. Click your iPhone's Bluetooth name on CarPlay screen. Easily use the navigation system in phone. No more worrying about getting lost or breaking traffic rules. High-speed connection and timely update make you freely use the latest version. Enable directly playing cached songs in phone. The DriveLink device supports operating by steering wheel button, rotating knob and voice control.